Okay, I'm trying to put a new shower head thingy on. Hold on. This thing right here, we just bought pieces around and stuff. But my problem is with the old shower head, which was this thing. So it was attached to it, but it was like spraying all over the place. So I unscrewed this part from this right here. But then there's this round thing at the end. And like, see if I can focus it. Yeah, you see how it's this round ball and the thing right here. I try to put my pliers on it, but like it doesn't grip because it's round and it's on there really hard, and there's like it's like some white stuff, I guess, that's keeping it on. I don't know, was it tape or something or glue? So guys have any tips on how I can get this off and get a new shower head? That'd be great.